Welcome to our manufacturing center, professional screwdriver and bit manufacturer. CNC machining ensures consistent accuracy, high-quality raw materials processed in-house. From steel to precision bits, all under one roof. Torque and performance testing for every batch. Motor speed, torque and circuitry fully checked. Standardized assembly process for every tool set. Skilled workers ensure consistent quality. Attention to detail from start to finish. Automatic shrink wrap packaging for clean presentation. Efficient packaging line for large volume orders. Global shipments delivered on time.